Hi guys! Oh! Cute, no? Galing siya sa Artcessories PH. This one! Cute, no? When you're ready to go to school na, they also have a different one. Mga mahilig sa floral. 100 kag wallet. Try this one. Pwede maglagay ng credit cards. Then, naapod siya zipper. So, at least, safe talaga. Nara. Kaning isa, na kay kadit. Simple lang siya, pero elegant lang. Salamat kaayo, Artcessories. Magtudlo ko og everyday school makeup. Because last time, nagturo ako ng everyday school makeup. What happened was, Joem did the voiceover. Kaya, daghan wala kasabot. Mag-school na, June na ba ya? Let's start na. But first, guys, may challenge ako kay Joem.
Ito na nga, guys. Ma-challenge nga ako ni Inday Crisha.
Gayahin niya ako. So, lahat ng steps nang gawin ko today.
Gayahin ko daw yung makeup niya. Ano mirror? Ano to makeup?
And then, he's gonna watch it while doing it. Hindi natin kung kaya na rin mag-everyday makeup school. Tinted moisturizer. Anything na moisturizer na may sunscreen protection. And then, this one, it's like BB cream and CC cream. Meron na siyang coverage. That's why I like it. As a student, you can use the Maybelline BB cream. It's inexpensive. Barato. Okay. Ganahan siya ko shirt. Cute ka ayo. Treat this as your moisturizer, your foundation, your sunscreen protection. Yan. Our next step is to do the kilay. Merong technique. It's better na lang to put the brow pencil sa brush so that kahit idiin mo siya sa imong kilay, dili nimo mabaga. Kay if you put too much product, imong nawong mahimog kilay. Dili nimo nawong mahimog nagkilay. Weirdo. Alert. Have a great way, guys. I want to say hi kay Cha Sunga and kay Ira de los Reyes, Kevin Imperio from Saudi Arabia. Hello! Makasad tanaw ni mong eyes, right? Kay murag imong lashes nakanaog. So if you curl that, abi sa imong friends kay wow, glowing ka lagi. After putting kilay, just curl it. As you can see, nawala dayon ang haggardness. You should put a waterproof mascara because even though you curled your lashes, in time, babagsak siya. Kanang waterproof mascara mo nang mag-help sa imuha na forever na siya mag-curl. Tamo pa, uy, kalimut sa term. Ayun. So, nag-curl na yung lashes ko. It's optional if you want to put it sa bottom. Para magkaroon din ng buhay yung face mo. Put a little color. Sa school, you're not allowed to wear makeup, right? Kala lang ng teacher mo fresh ka. Pero hindi niya alam. Nag-natural makeup ka pala. It's a local brand. You can check their Instagram. less_is_more101 and Facebook is lessismore101. Dear Crisha, thank you for choosing us. Part of our sales will go to abandoned babies and sexually abused girls of the Cribs Foundation. We can't wait for another positive feedback from you. Love me left. Okay? You try na nato ni. Pagsabihan ka ng teacher mo, take off your lipstick. Ma'am, wala pong lipstick, ma'am. Wala po talaga. Ati ka, di man matanggal. Kay lip stain man. So, kani, anak lang gamay. Pero kunwari, nag-blush ka sa imong crush. A bit lang. So, tipid mode siya. Maybelline All-in-One Two-Way Cake. So don't share your sponge, okay? Kasi hygiene by hygiene. The finishing touch. Done! Okay ba? Alright! Oh, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung damit na maganda siya. Isa ka dun sa lingkuranon ba? Medyo hayahay siya. Oh. I hope na magustuhan nyo din yung makeup ko and makeup ni Dodo! Salamat kayo, guys! Sorry. Sige. Bye, guys! Salamat kayo! What happened to your mata, love?
Gusto ko sana sabihin nakapag-boxing ako. Pero katangahan ko, tumawa ako sa pader.
What happened to your face, love? Oh my God, you look like a clown.
Paano ko ito tanggalin?
Joke lang, may makeup remover.
Tanggalin mo to!
Korean hair ka na, baby.